a power b into b power a equal to 72. So what is the value of a and b? Now take 72, take L divider. 2, 72 by 2, 36. 36 by 2, 18. 18 by 2, 9. 9 by 2, 9 by 3, 3. And 3 by 3, 1. So 72 can be written 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 3 into 3 can be written 3 squared, multiplying 2 into 2 into 2 can be written 2 power 1, 2, 3. So here this is A, this is B. So A equal to 3 and B equal to 2, or A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. Take one more question. A power B, B power A equal to 2, 5, 6. So what is the value of A and B? So 2, 5, 6. Taking L divider. 2, 128. 120 by 2, 64. 64 by 2, 32. 32 by 2, 16. 16 by 2, 8. 8 by 2, 4. 4 by 2, 2. And 2 by 2, 1. So 2, 5, 6 can be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 times 2 power 8. 8 times of 2. So we want the type A power B into B power A equal to 2 power 8. So rearrange the sequence. 2 power 8 can be written 2 power 4 plus 4. That means A power m plus m equal to A power 2m. So 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 equal to 256. Or one more, arrange this form. 2 power 4 into 2 into 4 can be written 2 power of 2 equal to 256. So 2 power 4 into A power m power n equal to A power m and n. 2 power 2 equal to 4 power 2 equal to 256. So A equal to 2 and B equal to 4, or A equal to 4, B equal to 2. That is the answer.